Tired of flat, lifeless sound from your tabletop speakers? Meet the Edifier D32, where high-res audio transforms your space. Check the best price on Amazon with the link in the description. Imagine relaxing in your living room after a long day. You hit play. Pure, detailed sound fills the room instantly. Why does it sound so good? The D32 supports true high-resolution audio, 24-bit, while 96 kHz playback. Every note, every nuance, delivered with absolute clarity. Class D amplifiers ensure precise sound and dynamic range. No distortion, just pure music as the artist intended. The secret lies in its 2-1 acoustic architecture. Dual 1-inch silk dome tweeters deliver sparkling highs. A powerful 4-inch mid-low driver ensures rich, warm mids. Dual bass reflex ports amplify deep, punchy bass. Handcrafted MDF wooden case reduces unwanted vibrations. Result: crisp highs, clear mids, and truly immersive bass. Want wireless freedom without sacrificing fidelity? Enjoy LDAC codec over Bluetooth 5.3 for Android devices. Experience 3 times the data of standard Bluetooth audio. Connect multiple devices at once. No more pairing hassles. Apple user, stream seamlessly with AirPlay 2 and Wi-Fi. Sync music in every room for the ultimate multi-room setup. No Wi-Fi? Use USB-C or AUX for direct playback. Long listening sessions? No problem. Built-in 5200 mAh battery gives up to 11 hours of playtime. Take your music from room to room, effortlessly. Hidden handle at the back makes moving easy and stylish. Front accordion keyboard offers intuitive, tactile control. Or use the Edifier Connex app for remote adjustments. Fine-tune EQ, switch sources, and more, right from your phone. Love beautiful design as much as great sound? Retro-inspired wooden case adds warmth to any decor. Braided grille and elegant brown finish exude sophistication. It's not just a speaker, it's a statement piece. Perfect for audiophiles seeking premium sound. Ideal for home decor enthusiasts craving style and function. Tech-savvy users will love the advanced connectivity options. Worried about reliability? Enjoy peace of mind with a 2-year warranty included. Let's recap what you get with the Edifier D32. High-res audio with 24-bit, 96 kHz support. Immersive 2.1 sound with custom drivers. LDAC Bluetooth 5.3 and AirPlay 2 for wireless streaming, multi-room playback, and dual-band Wi-Fi. Up to 11 hours of continuous battery life. USB-C and AUX inputs for versatile connections. Intuitive controls and mobile app integration. Retro design that elevates any room. Easy portability with hidden handle. 2-year warranty for lasting confidence. Imagine movie nights with cinematic, room-filling sound. Host parties with vibrant music that everyone feels. Enjoy quiet evenings with crystal-clear audiobooks. Or simply add a touch of elegance to your workspace. Upgrade your daily listening experience effortlessly. No more tangled wires or complicated setups. Just plug in, connect, and enjoy superior sound. The Edifier D32 adapts to your lifestyle, from focused work sessions to lively gatherings, from solo relaxation to family celebrations. It's the speaker that does it all, beautifully. Ready to transform your sound and your space? Choose the Edifier D32 tabletop wireless speaker today. Experience music the way it was meant to be heard. Bring home style, performance, and convenience. Don't settle for ordinary. Demand extraordinary sound. Rediscover your favorite songs with new clarity. Impress guests with both looks and performance. Check the best price on Amazon with the link in the description. Order now and enjoy a 2-year worry-free warranty. Edifier D32, where high-res sound meets timeless design. Upgrade your audio. Elevate your life.